guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this intro video on CapCut PC. I'm just gonna go and use these because my connection isn't the best, but I'll just delete these. So what I did basically is I put them side by side, super simple. Then I went to mask and selected the horizontal one. And I basically added this like line to the very bottom. I also feathered them out quite a bit, maybe like around 20% is enough. Let me see. Okay, that's enough. And we're just going to add a keyframe at the beginning, and in the middle kind of, you're going to add in another keyframe. Actually, you don't have to. You're just going to drag this up and it's just going to automatically add that. And you're going to do the same thing for this one, but the other way around. So here, and then add a keyframe, and then in the middle of it, you're just going to drag this all the way down. Then you're going to select two stickers and you're going to add that. I'm also going to go to the first one. I'm going to then go to basic, and I'm going to select like a light color for the background first before this appears. And I'm also going to select the like stickers. So like for this one, for instance, I'm going to select the slide down animation and adjust the duration to that as well, to 2 seconds-ish. And you're going to do the slide up for this one, and again you're going to do the same video duration for that. And you can then add in like your text, for instance, the like vlog 278, and you can change the font as well if you'd like to. Let me see. And then you can select this as the like style. Let me select like a different one so you can see it a little bit better, like that maybe. And you can also add in like an animation as well, maybe have it appear a bit later on like here, and you're just going to add that in animation on. And that's it. That's how you can create your intro video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!